Now guys, I'm going to show you how you can use templates in this editor. So go to the templates, and now we have all the templates. We have openers, slideshow, product promo, motion graphics, and etc. Now I'm going to select this typography and I'm going to click here, and now we have 5 scenes. So you can either double click to add that scene, or you can click on this apply all scenes and it will add all these scenes in the timeline. So how can we edit this? So it is very simple. So you have to just select a text. So we have this text, or we can select this text in the preview screen. Now I'm going to press Ctrl A to select all these, and I'm going to press backspace. So it will delete all these tracks. So now we can select delete empty tracks, and now I'm going to select this one. So for example, if you apply all the scenes, so let's click here. So now as you can see, it apply all scenes. So we can click here to fit. So it will fit all the scenes in the timeline. Now I'm going to press Ctrl A and press backspace to delete all these scenes. So it is very heavy, so you have to be patient because it is working using your internet. Now if you're stuck here, we can also refresh the page, or we can go back and we can delete that project and we can create a new one. So I'm going to back to all templates, and for this time I'm going to select a simple one. So let's go to the slideshow, and I'm going to select this one. This one is looking good, so I'm going to add, double click here, it will add that where we have the cursor. So I'm going to press Ctrl A, press backspace, go to the frame number 0, we can now add this. So it will add from the starting point. And now if I play this, so now this is the slideshow. So how can you replace these clips with your own clip? So it is very simple. You have to just select that clip, and right here in the properties we have replace media. So I'm going to click here, and now we have to go to the assets, and I'm going to drag this and drop this. And now as you can see, that asset is now replaced with this video. So I'm going to replace all these. Now let's select this one. So as you can see, it is very simple to replace all the clips. So we can click here, replace, and we have to just drag and drop. And now guys, as you can see, all the media is now replaced. So we can delete empty tracks, and we can click fit. And now to replace the text, we can select this one. We can double click here, and now we can press Ctrl A, and now I'm going to click here, so it will center all these text. Now guys, if we preview this slideshow, as you can see, all the media is now replaced. So I'm going to select this one, replace, and I'm going to replace this with this car video. And now as you can see guys, all the media is now replaced, and we have this text at the end. So this is how you can use templates in this video editor.